Vanessa Blackier, or go by VB online, and I make a lot of different crafts, but I make shrinky dinks or shrink plastic creations. I started making shrink plastic creations when I was very young. I don't really remember it, but my sisters are older, so they introduced Shrinky Dinks to me, which was a popular craft toy in the 80s. And then I had to go way back in Instagram to remember when I rediscovered it, but that was about in 2015. I guess a lot of the times I just have, the idea and I make a little sketch. And sometimes I find it's like the inspiration I need is to make it for a present for somebody, or I'm thinking of somebody in particular who I want to make something for. And I always find those are the ones that I like gravitate towards the most, or that I'm most excited about. So usually it comes from an inspiration like that. And then usually I'll hand draw it and I do a lot of prototypes. And then when I'm finally happy with it, I kind of make the designs. Yeah, I just love cute tiny things. I mean, big cute things are also incredible, but like, even just when you're like little, like I always used to love those like tiny flocked animals, or like anything miniature is just, like very intriguing for little eyes. So I just feel like it's very fun and cute. I don't know. It just like as soon as you shrink something, it becomes a little bit cuter. I find even if I am getting like a little bit, busy with things, it still is so magical a process that like even if you're feeling like a little bit uninspired, as soon as you start making things, you just get excited about it again, and it's just a very satisfying craft. I don't know. There's so many things to love about it.